This sour cherry cake is wonderfully soft, light, and filled with juicy cherries in every bite. It's one of those simple homemade cakes that fits well with different fruits and lets seasonal fruit do all the talking. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. I usually enjoy giving recipes a healthier twist, but today I wanted to celebrate a classic cake that's all about flavor, texture, and beautiful sour cherries. First, I started with the sour cherries. I carefully removed the seeds with the help of wooden square. Then I gently toast them with sugar, flour, and cornstarch to help them stay evenly distributed in the cake. In a large bowl, I whisked the eggs, sugar, and vanilla until the mixture became lighter and slightly fluffy. Whisking the eggs and sugar well incorporates air into the batter, helping create a lighter, softer cake. Then I slowly added the vegetable oil and Greek yogurt. Then I added lemon zest that adds amazing flavor to the cake. In a separate bowl, I mixed flour with baking powder and a pinch of salt, then gradually folded the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. I mixed gently until the batter came together. Overmixing can develop too much gluten, making the cake less tender. Then I poured the batter into my prepared cake pan, which lined with paper and greased with oil. Then scatter the floured cherries over the top and gently press some of them into the batter. Rather than folding the cherries into the batter, I prefer this method because it helps keep the fruit whole and gives a beautiful distribution throughout the cake as it bakes. And bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 55 minutes until it was beautifully golden and a toothpick inserted into the center came out clean. After baking, I let the cake cool in the pan for a few minutes before removing it. For decoration, I wanted to keep it simple and seasonal. I dusted the top with coconut powder, then added a few fresh sour cherries and mint leaves for a fresh finishing touch. The texture turned out beautifully soft and tender with juicy cherries in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments which fruit do you prefer to bake this cake with it?